Are you new to the Python-pptx package and wondering how to insert pictures into PowerPoint? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to set the width and height of your images when inserting them into your slides. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you want your images to look just right in your presentations, but you're not sure how to control their size. Many users face this challenge, and it's completely normal. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked how to set the width and height of pictures when inserting them into PowerPoint using Python. They provided some code but were unsure how to adjust the image size. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what's the deal with image sizes in PowerPoint? When you insert an image, it defaults to its original dimensions. However, you can easily specify the width and height using the python-pptx library. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a handy tip at the end that will make your presentations even more polished and professional. To set the width and height of the picture in PowerPoint using the python-pptx package, the user should first import the necessary modules. This includes the presentation class and the inches utility for measurements. Next, the user should define the path to the image they want to insert. In this case, the user has already set the image path to monty-truth.png. Now the user can create a new presentation and add a blank slide. This is done by creating an instance of the presentation class and selecting a blank slide layout. To set the width and height of the picture, the user should specify these dimensions using the inches utility. For example, if the user wants the picture to be 3 inches wide and 2 inches tall, they can set these values. Finally, the user can add the picture to the slide using the Add Picture method, passing in the image path, the left and top positions, and the width and height. After that, they can save the presentation. Fun fact, did you know that the first PowerPoint presentation was created in 1987? It's come a long way since then, and now you can customize your images with just a few lines of code. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that when inserting pictures, you can specify only the width or height, and Python will automatically adjust the other dimension to maintain the aspect ratio. For example, if you want a picture to be 1 inch wide, you can simply set that dimension, and Python will calculate the height for you. If you provide both width and height, the image will be resized to those exact dimensions, which may distort the image. This method is useful if you want precise control over the size. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always preview your slides after making changes to ensure everything looks just right. It's a small step that can make a big difference. And there you have it. You now know how to insert pictures into PowerPoint and set their dimensions using Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Python effectively.